Hello, my name is Danny and I'm a Salesforce consultant at Solved. Because you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering, how can I 2x my customer service team's productivity? The answer is Agentforce Service Assistant. So let's talk about it. So what is Service Assistant? It's an assistive AI agent that helps service reps resolve cases faster with real-time case summaries and step-by-step resolution guidance. It displays a lightning component in the case record page designed to boost service rep productivity. Service Assistant works by providing AI-generated summaries of cases. This means service reps don't have to spend time reading through lengthy case feeds to understand the issue. They get a clear, concise summary right away. When a service rep clicks Draft Plan, Service Assistant provides suggested steps to resolve the case. This helps the reps solve cases faster because they don't have to spend time searching through company policies, case history, or knowledge articles. To ensure service plans are generated only when appropriate, Service Assistant uses eligibility criteria. These criteria, which you can set using a flow template, define the requirements a case must meet to have a service plan. This allows you to control when and for what types of cases service plans are generated. Here's a simplified overview of how service plan generation works. First, Service Assistant analyzes the case feed to summarize the case. Then it selects and assigns relevant Agentforce topics and actions. Next, it uses Salesforce platform features to gain additional context. Finally, it generates a trusted service plan. Service Assistant delivers precise, company-specific guidance by combining your case data and defined service policies from Agentforce topics and actions. The AI reasoning engine uses these elements to create accurate, tailored service plans. For a deeper dive into any of these components, feel free to explore our other videos on our channel. Service Assistant is a powerful tool within Salesforce that significantly enhances the efficiency of service reps. It provides AI-driven case summaries and step-by-step resolution guidance, enabling faster case resolution and increased productivity. By leveraging Agentforce generative AI and Data Cloud, Service Assistant delivers accurate and tailored solutions. If you're looking to optimize your Salesforce service operations with this tool, we can help you with that. Feel free to comment or subscribe, and we'll see you next time.